My people, them don't arrest one man. In fact, this one a pastor. They talk say this man killed his wife. Now wow, pastor, where they do this kind thing. This man where they talk say in name na brother UK. If like say this UK, if he be Uche the killer, I be Uzo the killer because this one where K dey inside. The K na for killing person. This one they talk say it happened for Akwa Ibom State for Ikot Abia community. Now there this one happen. No, I come dey wonder say wetin wife won't do pastor. So the pastor could come decide say he won't kill his wife. Now what for some of our pastors, they go just the devil now go they run on top inside their body. They go say na God now they minister to them. They talk say this pastor now be the founder of Omega World Global Ministry. On our way now they go this church on a know na self na pastor na killer. And they talk say as the matter be, say the youth for the community then notice say they know they see their mommy Gio again. No, maybe this woman and they come outside come they teach youth. They no come they see them again. Now they come begin they notice. This thing pass 1 week, they no see this woman. Second week, they no see this woman. Now the thing don't even enter the third week. Now there they come begin they ask people around. Even the neighbors, if say this woman won't travel, the woman for don't tell people say, okay, oh, are they travel, are they go here and there. But they talk say this woman no talk anything. Now there people can start to reason say it be like say something don't happen to this our mommy Gio. Now there they can call this pastor. They start to ask some questions before our pastor can confess say yes so now him kill this in wife. Hey, see human being. Pastor for that matter. This man, in fact, by their skin, you shall know them. This man's skin don't even tell you, say, this man, him be animal. Animal, they just put face on top of him body. And I sure say this man, God no even call him at all. In fact, now him call God. And as he even call God, God no even answer him. Now he just do this ministry by force, by fire. Because I never see where pastor go get mind. They talk, say, he won't kill him member. I be won't kill him wife. Sorry, rather. You can't get mind. You don't think anything. Now your own, what will your wife do you? As it be, we never know what the wife do. So make na even they follow us because we're giving a gist on what this man do to the wife. But as the matter be this, as they check around, now yeah, they can't go see one shallow grave. What thing they happen to people and them? This shallow grave nowadays. Because anybody they don't kill, you go yes, and they don't go put them inside shallow grave. I'm not going to understand what thing they happen. Akwa Ibom people. This man, they can't dig again, and their youth can't decide, say, make them bring out this person where they see inside this shallow grave before they go see my people. Now this man, wife, now this pastor, wife, now they inside this thing. See, man of God, oh, this one, I don't even know where the God is here for this whole matter because now devil, now they rule this man. Akwa Ibom people, this thing don't they over too much. It like say, now with shallow grave now don't be 5 and 6. Anywhere where you go, now waiting they trend for inside Akwa Ibom now. Now so that girl will go find work. She go find work for this same Akwa Ibom. Now there they kill her, put herself inside shallow grave. In a short say something no they happen with this whole shallow grave of a trend for this kind place and no con they, and in fact things where they happen now now end time signs. As I see because any small thing where go happen, this one go carry knife, kill this one, another wahala, this one don't carry this one, kill this one. What thing can they really happen for this whole matter as it be like this? Because now people never can get patience again. No? If person will be say him go stand for altar, they preach, say, make I no do this one, make I no do this one. Now him can't get mind. Caribbean and knife, where I'm waiting. They killing wife, it means say something they really happen. And I'm quite even surprised how this kind of man feel be pastor. Because in face, no even they, make I see this face as is strong. In skin self, no even resemble pastor own. So I can't be surprised if this man they preach and they stay here. Because if now me there for this shop, fear self go they catch the man face never they appeal himself to be pastor. So I don't know which kind God can't call him maybe say now pastor or ministry now this man can't decide say he won't go do. But as the matter be I sure say they don't carry this man go police station. Because this kind of pastor, you know, go they lie under God's hand. And I sure say this man go down, they do all this kind of corner things since. Now God just help him say this one now on top of your wife, now ain't go do one for. All this kind of women now go they inside relationship where we say they go they beat on. Now go stay there, gum girl. I say they gum na like chingum, making a no come out. Now here now this pastor wife don't see and say, your husband no be even pastor because this one nothing pastor about him. na beat am, na kill am, na him be. As the matter be, this man don dey for police station. Na this thing now I hear, I come say make I bring am, make I come tell am, make una sef use una ear hear wetin dey happen for inside this Nigeria. Make una dey careful, make una know people wey una dey go meet as pastor, because some pastor dey no even be real pastor, na devil na him dey control them. No God for their life at all. In fact, nobody, anything wey even near God, no even dey for their heart. Na evil things na dey for their heart. As I see am, cause anything wey una feel, make una no forget sef to write am for the comment section. Make una no come forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Milan police don arrest one 34-year-old Ghanaian man because of say wetin this man killing ex-girlfriend. Ex-girlfriend, no be real girlfriend, no be new girlfriend. This man get mind go killing ex-girlfriend. This man wey dey talk say him name na George Kerima, they talk say na Ghana man. Make una forgive me if I no pronounce am well. This man killing Nigerian girlfriend wey her name na Blessing Tunde. They talk say they see this lady for around Green area for Milan district. So they see her for ground for the place. They talk say Blessing, Ashawo people they work for that place. Sex workers, Blessing on the other side. Now they stay. So now there they see this lady, but then they never even know wetin kill her. See as they go do autopsy, now there they see say they strangle this girl, with her braid, her weave on. I never hear this one since that time. As I hear this matter, I don't dey fear wig. Wig, woman where they wear wig now, they feel use wig kill you. Now make everybody just go baba low cuts or go plate Didi, because this one now it don't turn to weapon for men to use. They kill human, making a day very careful. They say this man use this thing. They strangle this girl. I can't. Which kind of weave on be this kind of weave on? The weave get iron. I be get rope for body. Maybe say as they tie the woman neck, now the woman can't die. This thing surprised me. But her best friend, now I come outside, now can't give us this story in total. She talk, say she and her friend they talk. That is around 1 p.m. So they talk for phone. And this girl, two of them they talk well. But after that time, she not come they get to they talk to her friend again. Now there she come the wonders. What don't do this, my friend? Now there she can't go. Novara police station go report this matter. Say e be like say her friend don't miss, so say she no see this girl again. Before they go see, now there they can't see this her friend now for this area where they talk in a green area for where sex workers they stay. And the guy they talk as the matter be, the boyfriend now where they talk say him kill this girl. They say before they in a relationship, all this sweet lovey relationship now they do well. Say in fact the love sweet, but after a year they can't break up. So this one now, the thing don't even pass 1 year with a break up. But say this man go see they call this girl, they beg this girl, say he won't come back. But what thing can cause this breakup? They talk say this boy now over jealous lover. Say any smart in this boy don't vex. If you see this girl with boy, he don't vex. If you see her with man, he don't vex. What do you call it? You where they date a show. This woman go they always there with man. So what do they expect? Now you go see her with man, you go squeeze face, do face. They say now what thing happen? Now make this girl come talk say she know they date again. And all her friends know about this thing. Say, as this man, they even beg this woman to come back safe. Say, she even involved the friends. But as the friends no agree. Now, there, this man can't decide. Say, okay, the only way when you go fit cure in broken heart, this kind of love is strong. So, the only way when you go fit cure this broken heart now for him to kill this in girlfriend. But the thing we can't do now, as he kill this girlfriend, they thought say this girl don't even get belly. She did 4 months pregnant. She did 4 months pregnant for who? Now, which kind of Ashawo? You know, say Ashawo people, they know you to get belly like that. So when they surprised, if let's say this girl don't even find love, now make her decide say she won't leave this brother. But as she still they do this sex work, now I no can understand. You where you get belly 4 months, you still can't they do Ashawo work, and they talk say yes. So then the legit work where this girl they do. You leave your country, say an Ashawo work you won't go do. But as it be like this now, they don't come kill you. What do you want to go tell your family? Because I sure say some of all these people, their family know they even know work where they go this abroad country they go do. But this man now, what did they go kill him? Abi wetin he won't do? They won't kill him because all this whole jealousy matter. Boyfriend and girlfriend, any person where they for toxic relationship, leave that relationship, run before they go kill you. Because this one now, they don't come, see, they don't need knife again to kill you. As the matter be, they don't need knife, they don't need gun. Ordinary weapon, even if not synthetic, 2,000 naira, they just need to use a tie you for neck. You don't go, my sister. And some people, they go there inside this relationship, they don't go agree come out. Now make me know they even put, I know they like woman for love matter. They don't go agree come out, they go sit down there. Like say they don't tie their leg with charm, say, this relationship, now there you go die put. Now this one wey they don't kill now. In fact, this one own e even surprise me because she don't even leave the person. As she know as the person be say this kind man, she don't go fit dey with the person. Now make am decide say okay, I won't leave the person. But as the man can't be, the man don't go kill am. But you won't go marry Ashewo. You suppose don't dey used to this kind thing. You never even marry am. Now girlfriend, ex, so this girl don't move on. You stay there. This one na psychopath. No be any jealousy. The man just dey obsessed. Maybe these girls are being knack well. Now make am don decide say now here I go die put. And the girls have don't talk say she self she no wan die on top of your thing. Leave the girl alone now. As you don't go kill am now, your body don't come calm down. Now there you come dey talk say na devil go there in place. Now go just go dey find devil trouble. They use am they do bad things. As you don't kill am now, your body don't calm down. But as e be, na only God know the kind judgment they go give him, because now no say all this kind outside country their own law dey hard. And no come know where Ghana government now go come put mouth say make they return am, abi they go leave am for there. Because me I feel say this kind man they suppose even kill am, give am sentence for there, because this kind thing wey e no good. The person don't leave you, you yourself leave am, move on, live your life. As you know, say this thing if you pay, maybe this Ashewo you pay for the first day. So what to make you no continue, go meet another Ashewo, say okay, this girl she dey do me shakara, make her find another Ashewo now. They no tie your thing on top, and in fact, you never even marry this girl. So as the matter be, I no see wetin they make you dey jealous. For this whole matter, will be say you go on decide say you won't go kill am. Men, under they fear me, and ladies self in her own self, they in her body. They on her body. Now, in fact, this whole matter it tire me. As I hear them, now I make her bring her, making herself hear wetin dey happen. As the matter be, making her not forget to comment on wetin I think about this whole matter. Making her not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I will see you on for the next video.